This is exercise 9.5 using the task manager. We are working our way through lab 9, managing hardware and printers. Found in the supporting Windows 8.1 lab manual, part of the Microsoft official academic course, in preparation for exam 70-688. In this exercise, we will use the task manager to look at the primary performance systems. In addition, we'll view and manage running processes. Task Manager is one of the handiest programs you can use to take a quick glance at performance to see which programs are using the most system resources on your computer. You can see the status of a running program and programs that have been stopped or stopped responding, and you can stop a program running in memory. The approximate time for this is about 20 minutes. We're going to navigate back to Windows 8A, which is currently logged in as Contoso Administrator. So we want to right-click here and go into our Task Manager. And we're going to select on, actually before we do that, question 17, what applications are running? Well, we can't really see because we need to look at more details. Now we can see everything that is currently running. What tabs are shown? Here we have processes, performances, app history, startup, users, details, and services. And we are going to open up WordPad. So I'm going to just do right click, new. Let's do it this way. Right click, search. WordPad. Alright, so now I have WordPad running. And you can see that I have Microsoft WordPad application open. And if we click on fewer details, we can see we only have the PC settings. Go ahead and end that task. That's from open before. We have Microsoft WordPad application open. Now we're going to right click it and select End Task. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to File, Save to Desktop, and Save. Okay, so now I can right click and then End Task. You'll see that it closed it. Now I want to click on the Performance tab, click on More Details again, select on Performance, move this over. What are the primary systems that you can monitor with the Task Manager? How many virtual processes is Windows 8A running? And then if we click on the memory and Ethernet, we can see what each option has to offer. We're going to go ahead and click on the Users tab. See, we're only logged on as administrator. And we can select on the expand this, and we can see everything that the administrator is currently running. Now, to display additional columns, if we right click on the name column, we can select session ID and threads. Okay, if you're following along in your lab manual and you're required to do so, this would be where you take your next screenshot. To sort the components that make up the most memory, we're going to click on the memory. Occasionally, a program or action might cause Windows Explorer to stop functioning. In these cases, we can use our Task Manager to stop and restart the Explorer. So we're going to find and right-click Explorer.exe and then end the task. So that's this one. I'm going to right-click and then end task. And now we're going to do File and Run New Task. And we're going to type in EXPLORER and then click on OK. And it brings us back. Now we're going to click on the Services tab. And I can sort this here by clicking on the name. And now we're going to close out of our Task Manager. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next exercise, we'll be looking at exercise 9.6 using the resource monitor.